Produce a quick counter-attack, kicking the ball back, that's very dangerous. Oh no, what has he done? Oh, it's a golden opportunity, it's in the back of the net, there it is, and I think it is that man, Zidou, he's done it, he's scored the goal, and it came from a sit. Well, having come the hospital pass, produce a quick counter-attack, kicking the ball back, that's very dangerous. Oh no, what has he done? Oh, it's a golden opportunity, it's in the back of the net, there it is, and I think it is that man, Zidou, he's done it, he's scored the goal, and it came from a Sims Chipolopolo against Zambia. Ball down towards Omondi. Can he get this crossover? Yes, he can, but it's met by Higazi. Well, that's a very dangerous ball. Can they get a shot in? That's very dangerous. Can he get the ball back? It's in the back of the net! Kenya have scored! They found the back of the net! This is remarkable! Michael Olunga, the Djurgårdens player based in Sweden, just exploiting. And Omondi's there, he gets his crossover. It's met there by Higazi, and look at that by Elneny, he's just come onto the pitch. Cliff Nyakeye does really well.